Hey guys, welcome back to Entrepreneur Pod. Today we'll talk about money saving life hacks you didn't know. Let's head into it. Number 10. Put your savings on autopilot. You can and you should automate just about everything. It takes your shoulder off a great deal of weight and frees up your time. With online banking, saving is easy to automate. Simply set up a monthly automatic transfer from your check to your savings. Or try Digit. Digit is a free tool that transfers various amounts from your checking account to your savings automatically. It's a smart tool that knows when you can and can't afford to save. But don't worry, if Digit causes you to overdraft by talking too much, for some reason, they'll fully pay any fees and charges. Although it's so clever that I've never even heard of it causing an overdraft. Number 9. Make a meal plan. I have 2 words when people ask how my wife and I feed our family of 6 for under $400 a month. Meal plan. You'll save a ton by planning your meals. This eliminates purchasing additional food that you don't need. Instead of buying what looks good when you're at the grocery store, it also helps you plan ahead to make more affordable meals. In the next stage, I'll go over how we make our meal plans even cheaper. Number 8. Plan meals around sales. To find the best deals for everything, you don't have to spend hours going through sales papers. Just make a meal plan for you, but leave specifics open. A stir fry might be one of your meals. So you need meat, veggies, and grain. Buy the best priced meat and veggies when you get to the store. Then search for a grain, such as rice or quinoa, and buy whatever is most cost effective, weighing the benefits of price and health. Number 7. Drink more water. This may seem clear, but the statistics indicate that it's not. If you stop buying 24 packs of soda and bottles of juice, you will save a great deal of cash. Bottled water is inexpensive, and tap water is cheaper. If you are not a fan of the tap flavor, there are many great options for filtering. Weigh the price and see if bottled or tap is preferred. A family of 6 can easily save $12 to $20 per meal by just drinking water instead of soft drinks when you're eating out. Number 6. Set an automatic budget. There are plenty of free services such as Mint and Personal Capital that enable you to link your accounts and track your budget automatically. This is for you if you're not one for spreadsheets and input numbers. You are able to view it and oversee the budget, but everything is automatically sorted for you once you set your categories. Something will occasionally go into the wrong category, but for all future transactions, it is simple to change it and change the category. Number 5. Set a plan to pay off debt. You need a plan if you want to get out of debt. There are a few choices, but the 2 most common are the snowball of debt and the avalanche of debt. How are they functioning? You simply write down all your debts from the smallest balance to the largest for your debt snowball. Then you see any extra money to first pay off the smallest balance. Take the payment plus any extra money. Once that's paid off, and put it on the next smallest balance until you're debt free. The idea is the same with the debt avalanche, except you sort by interest rate, highest to lowest, rather than by balance. The debt avalanche will save you more money in interest, but in the beginning, you may prefer the small wins that the debt snowball offers. Number 4. Get a second job. You may want a second job if you're trying to reach a goal that seems to take longer than you'd like. It's not forever, it's just a temporary job to get past any situation you're in. A second job if you're in debt is a great way to pay it off quicker. If you're building a fund for emergencies, get a second job to knock it out. The service industry, such as waiting tables or the delivery of pizzas, is great for this. Service jobs are great for maximizing your extra hours of work, as you'll get tips and probably do more than you would at a regular hourly job. If you can get a second job, don't worry. Below are a number of other ways to save money without working for more. Number 3. Challenge everything. Challenge any single outlay you have. Are you really in need of cable? What about those subscriptions to magazines that you're not reading? They both cost money on their own, and the advertisements might persuade you to spend even more. Chances are you're able to cut something out. Maybe you paid for the service for so long that it's second nature. It's time for a challenge, but here's how it should be done. Write down each individual expense you have. Look for expenses that you can cut out completely. Find ways to save on remaining expenses with money. Number 2. Compare insurance rates. When did you check the insurance rates for the last time? This is something that you should go on an annual basis. The cheapest isn't always the best, but usually, you'll find that if you shop around, you can get the same coverage for less money. Get a look at all your insurance policies once a year. Call around or go online and see if better rates can be found. You can, most of the time. Number 1. Use coupons wisely. When it comes to coupons, there are primarily 2 crowds. The first crowd says coupons are not worth the time you spend cutting them. The second crowd says coupons are always worth it because they save money for you. Another crowd, however, exists, the savvy couponers. With coupons, be insightful. For you, spending hours each week cutting them may not be practical, but you should be looking for coupons that save you a lot of money. Every time you're about to spend money, check out popular services like Groupon or Living Social to look for a coupon. It takes seconds, especially on services such as an oil change or a massage, and could save you a lot. What do you think about these life hacks? Did you know about them? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.